All right, all right, all right. Somebody's at the door. Oh, Binks, look. It's the package from Amazon. It must be the book I just wrote. Come on in, let's take a look. Come on. I started writing it during COVID. I knew that people were going to need help. I do one-on-one coaching, and the ideas that have helped people in coaching to relieve stress, to have a clear direction in their life, that's in this book. I wrote this course actually about over 10 years ago. Ford Motor picked it up, and now I've turned it into a book to help people during this time of, lots of stress and anxiety due to COVID and the pandemic. And it's called Future Vision, 6 Steps to Harness Your Passion in the New Normal. It's really exciting. I hope you get a chance to read it, to hear it. It's on audiobook as well as an ebook and paperback. Future Vision, 6 Steps to Harness Your Passion in the New Normal. I'm Daron Powers. Thanks for watching.